way back on the back of the camping, and then just come back and get in line to go again. It's
awesome.
Unlimited goes.
Awesome.
Have fun, bud.
Thank you. All right, here we are, doing the off-road course. The Southeast Overland and Expo Center. Awesome, man. Looking good. This is normally a track in which they run motocross. So they've allowed the vehicles up on it today. Feeling good. I'm in 4 low in the Bison. I aired down to about 23, 24 pounds in the tires. So we're looking good there. We'll see how this treats us. There's a more advanced section. Woo! Yeah! That was awesome. That was unexpected. Yeah, buddy. That's what I want. I didn't put my lockers on. So, we'll see. If I go on the more advanced section, I may have to put my lockers on. But I figured at this point, it's not going to get that tough from what I can tell. But it is pretty fun. Yeah, buddy, up the hill. Woo! I'm gonna be crawling up this Land Rover's butt up over here. So I'll definitely have to watch my speed, because this Land Rover guy seems to be running slow, or I'm running fast. One of the two. I might be running a little fast just because this vehicle is not having problems at all so far. This is pretty compact sand. No issue at the moment. I think I may have to try that advanced course. He's got a relatively new Land Rover, so this is awesome. Woo! Yeah, buddy! Go down! Go down! I hope this camera's on. Yeah! I'm going advanced after this. Hell yes. Oh, I'm gonna have to strike that out of the video. Yeah, going down, going down. Woo! Funny, I aired down, I'm getting tire pressure warnings. I think, do I want to go here or not? I'm gonna run over the cone now. Yeah, I'm going advanced. Got some soft sand. We'll see what happens back here. Hell yeah. This is definitely softer. I'm gonna have to, this is a tight corner meant for motorcycles, man. Definitely need some good angles here. Woo! Turning. Holy moly, this is tight. Where does this come out? Woo! Holy, look at this. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Holy moly, this is awesome. Woo! Hell yes! Hell yes! Take this wide. Try to get a good inside turn. This is tight. Turning that wheel. Woo! Yeah! Oh man! I'm gonna have to put the windows up. I am getting dusty! Woo! Oh yeah! Feel those bumps. Woo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This is awesome! Yeah. God darn it, gotta strike another word or YouTube's gonna kill me.